Employees at your workplace probably do not get a vote on whether you all are going to work from home. At the state legislature, they do. And today it turned into a battle between legislators who have pre-existing health conditions and another who suggested that they're sissies.
It's a shame that I had to drive across town against my doctor's orders to be here, to speak up and ask for some compassion.
You need to be here. If you are that afraid, maybe you should think about getting somebody here who's not and who can show up.
All of the Democrats today voted in favor of remote participation for legislators. All of the Republicans, including those who are choosing not to wear masks in the Capitol, oppose the idea. So what happens if this goes on at your office? If you're concerned about your health or the health of somebody at your house and your coworkers won't even follow basic public health guidance? Here with that is Marshall Zellinger.
It's not unusual for the legislature to be divided.
I should not be here.
The message I bring today is that I refuse to live in fear. I'm damn sick and tired of Zoom.
These are serious health consequences and personal choices.
For hours this morning, both the House and Senate debated whether or not to allow remote participation. Democrats talked about health concerns and being the voice of their voters. Republicans talked about taking risks and being the voice of their voters. Since Democrats control both the House and the Senate, it passed, meaning lawmakers can work and vote from home if need be. So what about the politics in your business? What if you're required to show up in person with non-mask wearing coworkers and that makes you uncomfortable?
Is there a one-size-fits-all answer?
Of course not.
Lori Ray with Employers Council helps guide businesses through the uncertain future of social distancing and employee rights.
I would notify my HR department or my manager immediately.
If the setting is clearly in violation of public health orders, or frankly, even if the person's not sure, we're happy to receive phone calls.
Back at the Capitol, before Democrats voted to allow work from home, a Republican senator known for controversial statements added yet another.
I feel safer here than I feel anywhere. And you know what? I go to Walmart. And you know what? I don't wipe down that cart every time I take it out. I put my hands on, shove it through, and I'm going shoulder to shoulder with people in the aisles, even though Walmart has taken precautions to say you go this way down that aisle and that way down that aisle. People just aren't ready to accept that.
This was one of my birthday presents, just FYI. There have been 3 House lawmakers who have stayed away for health reasons. They can now vote from home. They don't have to. It's just an option out there. For you and your business, if you're public facing, there's a requirement that you have your mask on. But if you are a private business, there's some advisories out there that if you're in your office, you don't necessarily need to wear the mask. So there's a difference between public businesses and private businesses.
Mm-hmm. And full disclosure, Marshall, we should tell people that at work, the two of us sit facing each other from less than a distance of 6 feet. So when we're back, we're going to be swapping droplets, or as we will call them, Patriot particles. We'll be swapping Patriot particles with each other.
I'm looking for the partition that I can bring from home right now.
Something tells me it's not going to be see-through. Marshall's just going to go for a wall. Thank you, sir.